This is what's known as strip street stucco, and the surface.
Is it filming?
Moisture is
Yeah.
penetrated
Does it
behind.
say record on top?
Yeah.
Filming.
This is Elisha eating. Show Christy. Hold the bag up.
This whole area.
Yep. Closer to his head. That's a girl. Okay. Okay, Daddy.
Right now is the outside. You know, the landscaping is a big part of this project.
Elisha, look at Grandma. Elisha, look at Grandma. Show.
Right now, you can
Jalapeno kettle chip.
I get these landscapes here to show
Mmm.
frame out the house. Then you'll have a crystal clear vision of the ocean from this bedroom. That's why the landscapes are so important. Not only from the outside looking in, but also the inside looking out so you can see the ocean from here. So I'm really sweating the landscapers at this point.
Elisha. What? Say yo, Daddy.
As you can see, these single-family residential houses that were built 30, 40 years ago.
Incredible.
Sandwiched in between these.
Hi, Elisha. Hi, Elisha.
condo projects.